Thinkorswim versus Interactive Brokers, which is actually better in 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Thinkorswim and Interactive Brokers. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is commissions and fees. Over here, both Thinkorswim and Interactive Brokers offer commission-free trading for our stocks and ETFs. After that, let's compare options trading. Over here, Thinkorswim charges a flat fee of 65 cents per contract, while Interactive Brokers offers a tiered pricing model ranging from 15 cents to 65 cents per contract. Then, let's talk about futures trading. Over here, Thinkorswim charges $2.25 per contract, whereas Interactive Brokers futures fees range from 25 cents to 85 cents per contract. After that, let's compare margin rates. Over here, Interactive Brokers offers lower margin rates, starting at 5.83% for EST, which is beneficial for traders who frequently use leverage. Then, let's look at platform features. Over here, Thinkorswim is known for its advanced charting tools and educational resources, while Interactive Brokers provides access to global markets and advanced trading tools for active traders. After that, let's discuss user experience. Over here, Thinkorswim has a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for all traders. Interactive Brokers, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve but offers more customization options. Then, let's look at which platform is best for you. Over here, if you prefer a beginner-friendly platform with strong educational resources, Thinkorswim is a great choice. After that, if you want access to international markets and lower margin rates, Interactive Brokers is the better option. So that's a comparison between Thinkorswim and Interactive Brokers. That's all for this video.